Hello Excel enthusiastic, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we will learn how to separate bar from the label which appears due to negative numbers. So we'll select the data. So you can see over here how these labels are overlapping to this negative bar. So how we will shift this, select right click, format axis, go to labels, and now you can move this labels position to high. So you can see over here how the labels have moved to the upper side, and now you can also shift this labels to lower side of the chart. So the labels are visible in case of negative numbers. So if you like our video, please follow Excel app for more such videos. Thank you.